Punitive damages, also referred to as exemplary damages, go above and beyond ordinary compensatory damages. They are awarded in some cases to punish the defendant for especially bad conduct and to set a deterrent example for other wrongdoers. The North Dakota Supreme Court considered whether punitive damages were awardable in the 1997 case, Delzer v. United Bank of Bismarck. Ray and Betty Jean Delzer owned a ranch near Bismarck, North Dakota. In the late 1970s, the Delzers visited the United Bank of Bismarck, which advanced them an operating loan of $150,000. At the same time, the bank promised to provide the Delzers with another $150,000, which they were supposed to use to purchase cattle. Relying on that promise, the Delzers pledged all of their assets, including the ranch, as collateral. But the bank never advanced them any money for cattle. This left the Delzers unable to pay their debts and eventually cost them their ranch when the holder of the first mortgage foreclosed. The Delzers filed suit in North Dakota State Court, alleging breach of contract and deceit and claiming punitive damages. After a trial, the jury determined that the bank breached an oral contract to lend the Delzers $150,000 to purchase cattle. The jury also determined that the bank knowingly deceived the Delzers by promising them money for cattle without any intention of lending it. As for remedies, the jury awarded nothing for the bank's breach, $538,000 for the deceit, and $3 million in punitive damages. The bank moved for judgment as a matter of law on the deceit claim, and the trial court granted the motion, dismissing the deceit and punitive damages claims. The Delzers then appealed to the North Dakota Supreme Court.